In this video, I'll show you how to remove a credit or debit card from the Crypto.com app using your phone. First, open the Crypto.com app and log in. On the home screen, tap your profile icon in the top corner. Crypto.com's help pages show that card payment methods are managed from the profile area under Payment Arrow Credit/Debit Card, and that payment methods are selected during the app's buy flow. Now go to Payment or Payment Methods, then tap Credit/Debit Card. You should see the cards currently linked to your account. Tap the card you want to remove, then look for an option like Remove, Delete, or a small trash icon. On some app versions, you may need to tap Edit first. This exact label can vary by app version, but the card management area is the same general place. Confirm the removal when the app asks, and that card will no longer be available as a payment method for future crypto purchases. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.